let's get started. We're doing an oil change today on a Buick Encore GX with the 1.2 turbo engine. This is your oil dipstick. Here is where you fill the oil up. Also shows you the viscosity of the oil to be used. Put that aside. We're going to go underneath and start draining the oil. Alright, we're underneath the car now. And Buick did a nice job here. They give you a cover for the drain. It says drain. And they give you a cover for the filter, so you don't have to take this big shield off. So we're going to remove the 3 bolts. This one's missing one. We'll have to get one. We're going to remove the 3 bolts in each of these covers and take those down. These are a 7mm bolt. Alright, those are down. I'll show you what's up in there. Here's your oil filter. And here's your drain plug. That's going to be a 15mm bolt. Alright, let's start draining the oil. Get yourself a suitable drain pan, catch pan. This car holds a little over 4 quarts. I think it's 4.5 to be exact. So let's loosen that up. Get this draining. Alright, just going to take a little pick tool. Pick this little rubber gasket out of here. It's not too bad. It comes right out. Pull this one off. They get hard and brittle and dry out. So there's the old one. There's the new one. There's no certain way to put these on. Just put it back on. You can even notice a little discoloration between the two. So it's good to change it out. Just push that in until it's fully seated in the drain plug. Oh, stay there, Bella. Put that aside. Get rid of this stuff. Right, take our filter. Like I said, we're going to pre-fill this because of the turbocharger. So steady my hands are. All right. Fill that up. That's pretty good. Since it is in a vertical position, we can put this straight up with it full. And we're going to go back on underneath, change this out. Alright, you can see we're down to a slow drip. Let's put the drain plug back up in there. Get that just snug, tighten it up, wipe that all down, nice and clean. That's good, that's tight. Alright, let's go after this oil filter. Shouldn't be on there that tight. There you go. Get that dripping, draining. Alright, oil filters out, let that drain a little bit. Now you want to look up in there and make sure the gasket didn't stay on the block. We're going to wipe that all down, put the new oil filter in. Alright, so let's get this all wiped down. Take a look up in there with the flanges where the oil filter sits. oil filter gasket. You want to coat it with a fresh coat of clean oil. I'll put this up. That's in there. Don't need to kill it, just make it tight. That's done. Let's get the covers back on. We'll go up top, fill it up, run it for a minute. Then we're going to reset the oil maintenance light inside the car. All right, let's fill it up. This car takes 5W30. I chose this oil because I think it has all the nutrients a little 1.2 turbocharged engine needs. We're going to put about 4 quarts in here. We're going to start it, check it, and then we're going to go, like I said, inside and reset the maintenance minder light. All right, there you go. We're at the 1 quart mark on the bottle. Let's take the funnel out, start it up, get it off the ramps, check it out. All right, let's check it out. Out, wipe, put it back in, and I don't know if you can see that good on camera. We are sitting right about here, so it does need that little shot of oil in there. It's right here. So let's top it all up and recheck it. All right, we added a little bit. Let's check it out. Wipe. Back in, and it is full now, right up to the full mark here. So you're good to go. Back in. Just wipe your wipe down. All right, let's go inside and change out the maintenance minder light. Inside the car here. Gotta start it up. Up. We know the hood is open. So we're going to scroll here. Now show you the little arrow. We're going to go to information, which is there, the eye. We're going to roll up on this. So it gets us to the oil life. Now we're going to push this button down. And there it is, all reset. So you're good to go now. Okay, so that's a wrap. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you. Drop a comment down below if I missed anything. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more content like this. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.